Hi everyone, this is Gleeza Made with Glee. Today's video is not exactly what I had planned. I made several clips showing you guys my progress on all of my Christmas in July crafts that I intended to complete or work on during the month of July. And unfortunately, when I went to put the video together, my clips didn't all get transferred. Things were corrupted. Couldn't get it over. And so I decided, you know what, it's just a waste. I'm just gonna sit down here for a minute and share with you guys my update on what I actually accomplished over Christmas in July. Now, in the end of June, I made a video, which I will link in a card somewhere here, there, I don't know. I'm going to link in a card so you can check it out if you want to see exactly what my goals were and where I started with these projects. And now I'm going to share with you exactly what I accomplished. Did I accomplish a lot? I don't know, kind of, sort of, maybe? Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so the first project that I believe I showed you guys was a cross-stitch project. And it was the 12 days of Christmas. And I showed you guys I had completed the first month, which was the partridge in a pear tree. And in July I worked on the second, which is 2 turtle doves. And that is what I have accomplished. Now my goal for this year is to make it across just to the first border, which is the 4. It's 12. Yeah, it'll take me 3 years to make this project. Perhaps I'll work on it sooner. I don't know, but my goal for this year was really just to get across the top row. So I'm halfway to reaching my goal for this year. So that's the second one, 2 turtle doves. That's all I did, and then I put this away. The next project that I intended to work on, this is the Christmas jar ornaments from Dimensions. There's 4 of them in total. I showed you guys that I had completed the first one, and that was done last year. And yay! I did the second one. Now there is a still. Let me put something behind it. So okay, there's still details that I have to put in, like for example his nose needs to be outlined. On this one I still have to write happy holidays, and you know, just back stitching left on these 2 to be completed, and then I can cut them out and make them into ornaments for this year. So I will definitely completely finish these 2 this year, and I'll probably make a video showing you guys how I assemble these, because I know this kit is out there and you know, other people might be interested in seeing how to put it all together, and I will follow directions and try to do that and share it with you. So that's that. I'm happy that I actually did complete the second jar ornament. So that was the second project. Now the third project, I ran into some issues, and I'm gonna share it with you. I was doing it, it was great. I was in a flow, and then I don't know what happened. Phone rang, somebody came, I don't know. I got up and I knocked my whole box of stuff down. And let me show you what happened. This is how I organize my sequins in this little container. Now, ooh, there goes something else. Can you see inside here? Can you see that? It's all mixed up. The greens, the white, the reds, everything, the beads, this entire box fell. And a lot of it was on the floor. And now I just have a mixture of everything. So I got really frustrated after this. After I picked everything as much as I could, and I'm sure I lost some beads and stuff because I vacuumed several times since then. Can you see? Yeah, it's all mixed up. It doesn't even matter anymore if I do this because the greens are with the reds. Everything is it's a mess. So that got me frustrated, and like I said, I stopped. I put this down, and I will pick it up again because this definitely has to be finished this year. This is the felt stocking I'm making for my nephew. When I showed it to you guys last, I'll link that video, but I believe I've added an arm, hand, hat, all the trim, and part of his face. He's missing one eyebrow still. his beard, and then I have to work on this whole bottom section, which is the snowman and the bag of toys. So that's where I left off on this guy, and that's simply because of my own fault and my own clumsiness that I dropped everything and put it away for a while. So I'm in a better mood, so I'll probably pick this up again sometime this week. I would like to put another week's worth of work onto that in August, and maybe sometime mid-September that should be completed. Now the last project that I shared with you guys that I'll be working on was my crochet lacy ripple afghan. Let me grab it. And I've been working on this a few times, especially when I'm babysitting my nephew. I've been able to work on this. I don't like to work with things with little parts and beads and stuff when, you know, I'm babysitting, because God forbid I drop anything, I don't want to do it. No. So this is the only project I work on needles and stuff. No, I'm not doing that around kids and babies. So this is the only thing I'm working on when I'm babysitting. And let's see. I believe I added this much in July. So we're on to the green. This first green, this I started in August, and this is where I am in August, is with this green. I believe, I'm not 100% sure. I don't keep exact track, but I know I started the white, and then this is where we've gotten. So I've done another section. So it's, let's see, it's about a yard long now. Yes, nose, tip of the nose to tip of the fingers, I consider that a yard. So yes, it's about a yard long now. And let me hold it this way so you can see it, how wide it is. Yes, it's a big thing. It's maybe a yard and a half. Yeah. Maybe 2 yards wide. I don't know. Yeah, it's a little bit less than 2 yards. Maybe about 60, 62 inches or something like that. So this is it by width. And this is it by length. And I'm still going. And we will keep going until all of this yarn is gone. That is when it is done. So this is a project I will continue to work on between now and Christmas. Like I said, it's for me. I definitely do hope to finish it before Christmas. It would be nice to decorate my house with it. But if it's not, it's mine. It is what it is. I have been working in quite a few other projects, some of which I've already shared with you guys. So you know I was doing other things in July besides my Christmas crafting. And I'm getting into the whole fall season and then real Christmas crafting again. I got a new Crochet machine, which I am so happy about. You guys have no idea. I've made t-shirts already, iron-on t-shirts. I've printed my own designs and made t-shirts. I can't share those with you because they're gifts, and some maybe you might see later down the road, but I've made t-shirts. I've done mugs for my niece for her birthday, and quite a few gifts that I don't want to share because I never know who's really watching. Mom, auntie, sister-in-law, cousins. Yeah, I know you guys are watching, so I'm not going to share the gifts that I've made, but that's pretty much it. So this is my impromptu update. This wasn't exactly how I wanted to share with you guys. I actually had clips of me working on these things to show you my update, and yeah, it didn't happen. So note to self, I will be buying myself a camera, a real camera for this YouTube stuff when I hit 1,000. Yeah, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll probably invest in a camera, but until then I'm dealing with my iPhone, which constantly has storage issues, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching. I do hope that you think I've accomplished some things. I think I've accomplished a lot for July. I really do. Besides the fact it's summer, I have a husband, I have kids, I have family, I'm doing other things. I think I did good. If I was working on only one project, you would definitely see a lot more progress. But being that I picked 4 projects to work on, because I am that type of person. I have that multi personality, I guess. I I love to do different things, and the most, you know, something catches my eye. My friend Little Snip, she what she calls herself a magpie. You know, you go from one thing to the other. Yes, that's me. So, I think I accomplished some stuff. So thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing. Help me get to 1,000 so I can get myself a camera that will actually not lose my video clips. So again, thanks for watching everyone. Bye, and I will see you soon with another video. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and rest of the week. Bye!